What's up?
We're at Parkside. We're in the middle of construction here. We're wrapping up and finishing stages. We're about 3 months out from completion. As you can see, we have detached cottages. They're all going to face a common area. They all have a front porch to hang out. We'll have areas for people to sit and visit. We're right next to Foster Park and the sports complex. It's a great opportunity to build community in fully furnished units to stay, fully stocked kitchens. Be a great opportunity for you guys to stay. Man, I love this. I'm constantly thinking about design. I always think about taking a piece of property that's not utilized correctly or abandoned and creating something out of nothing, really and truly. Before we started building this, it was a trailer. We picked up this lot for $70,000 and now we have a $1.5 million community here. Cottage court, something I've been wanting to do for a long time now, since I've been developing for about 10 years now. So we're really excited about this project. So this actually is a 1-bedroom unit. We'll have a living area here, fully stocked kitchen, custom cabinets, 1 bedroom over here to my right, and also a full bathroom and a washer and dryer. So these are amenities you can't get at a hotel. You can cook, feed the family here, stay, have your aunt and uncle, or whoever else is staying with you guys, stay at the cottage next door. We think this is just going to be a great place for the city.